Hello dear children, good afternoon. Children, do you like to speak? Yes, we all like to speak. So today get ready to learn how to speak. How to speak simple sentences in English. 4.7 Let's speak. Look at this picture. What you have to do is very simple. Look, listen and answer. You will look at the picture, listen to what I am saying, and then you will answer the questions what I am asking, and that is how you will learn to say a single sentence in English. You will learn to speak simple sentences. Okay. Now first tell me, what is this picture about? Yes, this picture is about a park. It is a scene from a park. We can see so many people in the park and each one is doing something or the other. Yes? First tell me, where is the monkey in this picture? Yes, the monkey is on the tree. Where is the monkey? The monkey is on the tree. And now if I ask you, who is on the tree? What will be your answer? Yes, a monkey is on the tree. Who is on the tree? A monkey is on the tree. So this is how we will make simple sentences using the words. Okay. Now look here. This is a slide. What is it? It is a slide. And who is playing on the slide? A boy is playing on the slide. Who is playing on the slide? A boy is playing on the slide. Look at this. These are bushes. What are they? They are bushes. If I ask, what is the color of the bush or what is the color of the bushes? What will be your answer? The bushes are green in color. And if I ask you, where are the bushes? What will be your answer? Yes, the bushes are in the garden. Now look here. This is a seesaw. What is it? It is a seesaw. And who is playing on the seesaw? Two children are playing on the seesaw. Who is playing on the seesaw? Two children are playing on the seesaw. Now look here. This is jungle gym. Mostly all the boys like to play on the jungle gym. Here in this picture, who is playing on the jungle gym? A boy is playing on the jungle gym. And where are the girls in this picture? Can you see two girls? Where are they? They are on the swing. The girls are enjoying on the swing. Where are the girls playing? What will be your answer? The girls are playing on the swing. Now tell me, look in the picture and tell me, where is the bench? Can you see a bench? Yes, this is a bench. And who is sitting on the bench? What will be your answer for this question? Who is sitting on the bench? We can say two ladies are sitting on the bench, two old ladies are sitting on the bench, or two grannies are sitting on the bench. Isn't it? If you observe, we can see white hair. White hair means they are old. So we have to observe the picture and accordingly make a sentence and answer. Now look here. Ice cream vendor. Who is this man? The man with the red cap is the ice cream vendor. The person who sells ice cream, the person from whom we buy an ice cream is called ice cream vendor. Now if I ask you, who is buying an ice cream? What will be your answer? A small boy is buying an ice cream. And if I ask you, from whom is the boy buying the ice cream? What will be your answer? The boy is buying an ice cream from the ice cream vendor. So this is how we learn to make small sentences with words related in this picture. Now this picture is there in your Balbharati textbook And below this picture, there are few questions which we are going to do it orally. Okay, let's start then. The first question, do you go to a park? What will be your answer to this question? Yes, I go to a park. What is the question number 1? Do you go to a park? Yes, I go to a park. Come down to the second question. What do you play with? What will be your answer? If we have to use the words from this picture, we can see children are playing, means they are playing with their friends. And what are the things they are playing on? They are playing on the swing, they are playing on the slide, they are playing on the seesaw. One boy is playing on the jungle gym. So you can write this answer also accordingly. I play with my friends on the swing, slide and the seesaw. What do you play with? I play with my friends on the swing, slide and seesaw. Now question number 3. Do you buy an ice cream? What will be your answer? If you are buying the ice cream, you will say yes, I do buy. And if you don't buy, you have to say no, I don't buy an ice cream. So do you buy an ice cream? Yes, I do buy. And if you are not buying, you have to say no, I don't buy an ice cream. Come to question number 4. Can you ride a bicycle? We can see a girl is riding bicycle in this picture. Yes. So if you know to ride the bicycle, you have to say yes, I can ride a bicycle. And if you don't know to ride it, you have to say no, I cannot ride a bicycle. Can you ride a bicycle? Yes, I can ride a bicycle. No, I cannot ride a bicycle. Question number 5. Do you like to walk on the lawn? Now what is lawn? Look into the picture again. You see the green grass everywhere. The ground is covered with the soft grass that is known as the lawn. So do you like to walk on the lawn? Yes, I like to. Everybody likes to walk on the lawn. So you have to answer this question. Yes, I like to walk on the lawn. Do you like to walk on the lawn? Yes, I like to walk on the lawn. And the last question, do you like to play on the seesaw? Now here you have to think. If you like to play on the seesaw, you have to say, yes, I like to play on the seesaw. If you don't like to play on the seesaw, you can change your answer. No, I don't like to play on the seesaw. Or no, I like to play on the slide. Or no, I like to play on the swing. You can answer this question in your own way. Not necessary you have to answer what I have written here. Okay. Do you like to play on the seesaw? Yes, I like to play on the seesaw. Or no, I like to play on the slide. No, I like to play on the swing. If you like to play on the jungle gym, you can write no, I like to play on the jungle gym. Okay. So followed how to make simple sentences. You can answer any question related to this picture. If you observe the picture, you can answer them. And always answer the questions in complete sentences, not in single words. Then only you will be able to speak English. If you have to speak English, you have to have practice of speaking English. You have to practice speaking simple sentences. So I hope you have enjoyed learning to speak. At least you learn some few simple sentences to speak in English. Yes? This is how you have to observe the picture and try to speak simple sentences. Yes? Thank you.